Hello. So in this video, I'm going to test SSL channel contrarian strategy. So first we need SSL channel. So the link is 20. So all the indicators link are down below. So 20. And we need another, it's called Supertrend Histo Experiment 1.3. Okay, I use default setting here. And then you need no nonsense ATR. So you put 3 and 3 here. So your stop loss and TP is 3 times ATR. So we're using 1-to-1. So basically our aim is to have somewhere around 60% win rate. Okay. So first you want the for buy, you want the super trend to be green. Okay, this is our trend indicator. So green. And basically you wait for SSL channel to be red. Okay, so red, green, so you buy. So you click on the candle. Okay, you see here. So that's our TP. Okay, so I'm going to test this 100 times to see if it's profitable. Okay, so we got that one. And okay, here, green, red, so we buy. Basically we buying on pullback. All right, so okay, we got that one. And okay. All right, buy here. 23. All right, we lose that one. Okay, sell here. So super trend is red, and this SSL channel buy, we sell here. All right, it's very easy. So obviously you don't take every signal, but in this test, I'm gonna take every signal. Okay, just want to be as objective as possible. So if you're trading for real, you want to use your discretion as well. Okay, now we don't want the same color. Okay, so it's SL buy, so we sell here. 29. All right, we sell here. Okay, stop that. All right, we buy here. Oops, sorry, 21. Okay, we lose. We're still in profit. Okay, sorry. We sell here. All right, so we got that one. Buy here, sell here. Okay, we got that one. $21. Okay, sell again. So this works better in ranging market. Okay, so if you want to use your discretion, only trade in ranging market. And also you don't want to take a trade if you believe the trend is already exhausted. Okay, so buy here. So we're making $700 so far. So sell here. Okay, stop that. So we buy here. 20. Okay, we got that one. So you still can improve the strategy. Okay, this is just the basic test to see if it works. You may want to improve the strategy however you wish. Okay, we got that one. Okay, we buy here. Okay, stop tag. Sell here. Okay, got that one. Sorry. We lose this one. Okay, stop tag. And okay, we buy here. 53. Okay, we got that one. Okay, we lose that one. Sell here. Alright. So far so good. Okay. Sell here. Buy here. Okay, we got that one. Buy here. Alright. Okay, we got that one. And buy here. Okay, so far we already making 13%. So let's see how many trade we have so far. We had 19 win trade and 12 loss trade. So I'm gonna test this 100 times to see if it's profitable. Okay. Okay, so here's the result of 100 backtest. So we have 61 win and 39 losses. Okay, so 6 consecutive win and 3 consecutive losses. And so if it has more than 60 for 1-to-1, it's pretty good. Okay, so we made 4,600 in 100 trade. Okay, so that's 46% gain on account. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, it's pretty good.